So here's the Cliff Notes version of how to get a Wii remote working in Unity. Full video in the description. Download both the source code and the release version on this GitHub site. Extract the one called Unity Wiimote 1-1 but not Unity Wiimote Master. Open Unity Wiimote Master, go to Assets, Scripts, and copy WiimoteDemo.cs. With your Unity project open in the background, go to Unity Wiimote 1-1 and double-click Unity-Wiimote and click Install. Paste WiimoteDemo.cs and add it to a cube outside the level. Drag the cube into the transform and the mesh renderer fields of the Wiimote Demo script. Open Wiimote Demo and comment out the onGUI function. In any function you want to use the Wiimote in, add using Wiimote API at the top and add a Wiimote variable. I'm going to call mine Mote. And one of the scripts, call WiimoteMaster.findWiimotes and set Mote to WiimoteMaster.Wiimotes at index 0. In every other function, use an IEnumerator to wait until WiimoteMaster.hasWiimotes and do the same. In the script you call findWiimotes, call Mote.sendDataReportMode, input data type .report button acell extension 16, and then call Mote.acell calibrate acell calibration step, and then select which way the player is supposed to hold it, with A button up being the only one where the calibration isn't upside down. Also, you can use Mote.sendPlayer LEDs to control which player lights are on. Multiple lights can be on at the same time, including all and none. If you want to use the buttons on the Wiimote, use Mote.button and then whatever button you want. Power is not a button. If you want motion controls, then store Mote.acell.getCalibrated acell into a float array. Index 0 is the rotation of the Wiimote across its own axis, Index 1 is the up and down axis, and Index 2 is useless. Index 1 is usually negative of whatever you want, and both have a natural value of about 0.3, so be sure to subtract 0.3 from both of them. If you want to use an extension, then type the extension name and then data as the variable type and set it to Mote.whatever the extension is called. If you're working with a nunchuck, then you can call the nunchuck data variable .getStick01 and store that in the float array. The dead zone is 0.5, so keep that in mind. Also keep in mind that if the nunchuck ever disconnects, you have to reset the nunchuck data variable. If you want to use the IR camera, use Mode.setupIRCamera, and store Mode.ir.getPointingPosition into a float array. It stores two values from 0 to 1 based on where the camera is pointing. This is more difficult to pull off and I couldn't get video proof for it.